I'll be installing this 5-inch intercooler, couplers, and the charge pipe. I'm gonna do all that once. So I'm done with all that. Now let me show you what you gotta do over here. Obviously take the bumper off, and then you got this thing. You're gonna twist these. It's locked in, so you gotta pull it down and turn it. It unlocks. It was right here. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it's in front of the intercooler. So you remove that, then you have Torx right here and on this side, and then obviously the couplers, and it's coming off. Alright, I'll get back to you guys. This is so far. I had to pull off the radiator in order to pull this one off, because you won't need this no more. But it's pretty simple. You got one right here, then the plug, and down under you got a transcooler, and it comes right out. And then you'll be able to take that out. And since I'm replacing this, the charge pipe, so this is how far I got. Okay. Alright, intercooler is installed. As you can see, down pipes are installed. Everything is all set, hooked up. We can lower the car